ATCH Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking at Atlasclear Holdings. It is 30% down, and I see it just like a bearish market. Now, before I get into it, because there's obviously could be something else to it, I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what's not. With that in mind, you can see with ATCH, it's like a nail in the head, you know, like it was on point. And I've talked about this before countless of times. Like, for example, look at this. This was made like 5 days ago, 26th of February. And yeah, like you can see, like at the time it was 374, 26th of February. And since then, the price just done its thing and absolutely delivered, you know, now it's 219. So yeah, I'm still expecting it to keep going down. Not financial advice by any means. So if you want my exclusive 3-step approach to make more money trading in just a few weeks in a simple way, blueprint, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and click now because there's only 11 slots left.